Did you know? Brushing too hard or even using the wrong toothbrush could be damaging to your teeth and gums. It's time to brush smarter, not harder. Introducing the Beam Brush Pro. The Beam Brush Pro gives you 4 sonic-powered brush modes that clean in different ways. With the Beam Benefits mobile app, customize your brush settings, track brushing in real time, and earn rewards. The Beam Brush Pro is designed for you. Featuring interchangeable brush heads, a lightweight ergonomic handle, and sleek charging station to power your brush for up to 14 days. Experience a more powerful, personalized clean with the Beam Brush Pro. Learn more at beambenefits.com/beambrushpro.